Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Mad Fades Vintage. If you don't know me, my name's Xander. We are vintage clothes shop owners in Staffordshire, Penkridge, just off the M6. We specialise in rugged wear, denim, lots of brands such as Filson, Patagonia, Levi's of course, Wrangler, Carhartt, all the usual type of things that most rugged lumberjack type men wear, or if you're going on a hiking trip, there's loads of stuff like that at our shop for you. This video is something that's been long overdue. We've had a nice delivery of about 50 Filson items, some very old vintage pieces and some more modern, but I've not done a Filson video unboxing for ages. Well, I say unboxing, this isn't really an unboxing video because I've put some on hangers ready just so it looks a bit smarter. So what we'll do is I'll show you some items. If you're a member of the Filson group on Facebook and there's something you like, send me a message on the social media somewhere and we'll do a deal. I've got loads of people on the Filson group that will vouch for me. I've done hundreds of deals and bits of business on there, so I'm confident that I can send all over the world and have somebody that can give you what would you call it, like a reference. Okay, let's get started with a few cool items and we'll have a chat about them. So, starting off with an absolute beauty. It's got enamel buttons. It's a little bit of an older. I've not checked if it's a union made piece, but it's a beautiful cruiser. Yeah, it's got a absolutely beautiful, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that, probably not quite close enough. A really beautiful union made tag. There we go. Just needs a little steam. I'm going to give it a nice steam. It's hard to date. I'll have to double check, but it looks to be a men's large. So that's a beautiful. That's a nice piece. We'll put that up there to start things off. Or where can we put it? We'll put it there, just to start things off. I grabbed this one because I've never seen it before. Sorry, the dogs are barking in the yard, trying to get in the cabin. It's lovely tin cloth, hardcore. I think it's a journeyman, but I've never had a piece of Filson with embroidery on it. This is Kennedy Jenks Consultants, Engineers and Scientists. Cool. Must have been some needle to get through that. Next up, we've got a really beautiful guide jumper, heavy duty, men's size medium. Very, very good condition. Ooh. One of the work vests. Or is it hunting vest? It's a hunting vest, isn't it? That is a size. I'll tell you the sizes just in case you're interested. It says regular. Size regular. Dog's inside now. Oh, we've got a women's item. We don't get much women's stuff. This is a wax jacket, oilcloth jacket. Size small, it's lined. It's nice, it's got the hood as well in this kind of cherry pink or red colour. Checkered mackinaw vest. Very nice. I love this pattern. And that is a little bit older. All made in USA. 44, which is an extra large. Okay. I think this is called the Packer, off the top of my head. Tin cloth double packer, double layer arms, plus up the chest and everything on along the back. It looks a good size. Just going off the tag, 46, so what would that be, like a 2XL? Very nice. I'd say the favourite piece so far is that old cruiser with enamel buttons. Oh, I've just sold one of these. Fly fishing vest. Very clean. No fish guts. They're extra. Men's extra large. 1998. The style of that has not changed at all over the years. Oh, dry cloth. This is a dry cloth jacket. Men's extra large. These are lovely. Just as good as any Carhartt jacket. Yeah, I'm a big fan of that. It's got the wool collar as well, which is nice. Mackinaw vest in a 40, which is medium. Don't think this one's made in the USA. Just double check, because I know I'll get asked. Oh yes, it is. It's made in USA. just on the newer tag. Cool piece. Oh, very nice. Is that the Journeyman? In the green colour, forest or olive green. Wax jacket, men's large. Beautiful. Very nice. Another mackinaw vest, forest green, size 44, which is an extra large. Again, very clean. If you do buy anything from us and it's wool, I'll steam it for you, so it's nice and clean and not so creased. Next one's going to take a little bit of effort on my part to clean the wool collar. It is the packer, the double Mac packer in a big boy size. Yeah, it's going to take a bit of effort. I'm going to try and get it as... I'll get rid of the ink there. It's a size 50, so I think that's something like a 3 or a 4XL, and it is a longer one. It is a big boy size, and like I say, I will clean this collar, so I do believe I can get that stainage out. I'm not sure what it is yet. It doesn't smell. I thought if it's oil it won't come out, but it doesn't smell like oil. I think with a good scrub, some soapy water, I think I can get that out. And I've got some isopronol ethanol which should get that ink out as well. Heavy duty that is, seriously heavy. I think this is called the mile marker off the top of my head. The wool mile marker. It's a really beautiful coat. We've sold one quite recently. It's a good size. Again, it's a men's large. Beautiful in the charcoal grey. Immaculate condition. Whew, this is another heavy one. I think it's a double packer by the looks of things. Very heavy duty double tin cloth. It is a men's size 42, which is a large. You can see how tough it is. Needs some wear. Once this is on your body, it will loosen up. Once it's nice and warm. Again, wool collar. And we've got another... Ooh, is this a double Mac or a cruiser? Oh, it's a cruiser. Really like this myself, I must admit. This is a cruiser in 40, which is a medium. I typically size down in everything I wear from Filson. I'm usually a men's 42 or an extra large sometimes, but in Filson I'm always one size down. I often wear mediums with it being American sizing. That is really nice. Ooh, do I need another coat? Nope, we're going to sell it. Okay, part 2. I cut my thumb whilst mucking around in hangers. I just want to show you the effort I'm going through here. I am bleeding for you people. We've got about another 20 beautiful jackets to go through and absolutely loads of trousers. I don't think I'm going to make a video about the trousers, but there's probably 20 or 30 trousers. They will go straight onto our website and international shipping will be an option and included. I just want to say that we don't sell Filson for massive money. We sell it at a fair price. It's more important that the community thrives. I love the Filson group and I like selling things at a deal. Oh yeah, and do me a huge favour. We're halfway through the video. There's loads of you that watch these videos but aren't subscribing and don't give us the thumbs up. Do me a massive favour, give us the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, or drop a comment. It will help the channel grow and I'll keep making videos like this and of course sending really nice deals out to you guys. Next up, there's some fire pieces in here, by the way. We've got an ultra long line. You'd have to be tall to wear that. I'm 6 foot and it looks long on me. This is the long foul weather jacket in a size 44. It's full length. Very good condition again. I'm gonna have to move it over here. We're running out of space. Ooh, really nice. I can't remember the name of that one. It's not Journeyman, is it? It's got the big pocket at the back. What's it called? Oh, it's I'll tell you the size anyway, because someone will ask on this. I can't remember the name of it. The buttons are in good condition. Men's extra large, of course, made in USA. Big wool collar. There's the back. What is that called? It'll come to me. We've got another hunting vest. forest green and orange. I'm pretty sure this is a big boy size as well. I think it's an extra large. Oh, large! You're joking, there's a good size on that. It's quite big for a large, that is. Another vest, just sold one of these, made in USA. It's the one with the lined interior. It's very nice. Probably a bit more of a UK type jacket, gilet that is. Something that we could get away with here. This is the one. Oh, I like this bad boy. Men's large, made in USA. It is the lined version as well, cotton lined. Absolutely fantastic. Oh, that's a journeyman and a half, isn't it? It's got some repair work, but it's done quite well. Looks cool. Thorn proof. It's got the snap pockets on the inside, so you could put a wool vest liner in there as well. Yeah, men's large, loving that. Another hunting vest, bright orange, and it is a size 42, which is a large. I'll get that ink off, should be able to, shouldn't be an issue. Oh, another ladies piece. This is lovely. I think it's coyote fur and it's a parka. It's extra small, it's goose filled, goose feather filled, with a nice leather trim. The quality is so good on the women's stuff. I'm very, very impressed. We don't get much women's stuff, so it's nice to see. Oh, this goes with that vest we just saw, the mackinaw vest, and this is a cruiser in the same 44. Wouldn't surprise me if them were paired together. The Czech cruiser from a few years back, great pattern. In a 44, which is an extra large. And then finally, oh no, there's two more pieces. A double Mac, big boy size, 44 extra large. So we'll probably fit a 2XL in the UK. Very, very nice and clean. Looks like there's no holes or anything. Good condition. And like I say, we're not going to bother with the trousers on the video, because there's 20 or 30 pairs that all look quite similar, and I feel like the jackets are a bit more exciting and a bit more fun than the trousers. Finally, 48, which is like a 3 or a 4X, I think. And it's a packer, isn't it? So, tin cloth, single layer tin cloth packer. Very, very good condition. Just needs those creases getting out. And the best way is to put it on your body and wear it for a little bit. That's it for now. We've got another delivery coming at the end of January, so I will put another Filson video up, I think, then. I've got 500 pieces of Patagonia in the van, in the van right now. So I think it's right, I've got terrible indigestion. I've got 500 pieces of Patagonia in the van right now. I'm not sure what to do with that. I've not done a Patagonia video really before, or in a very long time, let's put it that way. But I was thinking maybe unboxing them all and gathering, say, 20 or 30 key pieces that are a bit cooler and a bit rarer. Maybe we'll make a video based around that. But if you are a Filson person, thank you for joining in. Thank you for watching. Like I say, do me a huge favour. Comment, like, subscribe and all that type of business. And I will keep making videos like that, like this. And failing that, if there's something you want to buy, get in contact with me on social media. Everything on all of our channels are at Mad Fades Vintage, and we can put a deal together for you. But thanks a lot, and I'll see you on the next one.